today I'm going to be showing you how to download Java. So what you need to do is either there'll be a URL that you can actually, like a clickable URL that'll take you to this page, or what you can do is put this URL in here. So oracle.com and then everything behind that. And that's how you'll get to this page. And this page is where you actually download Java. So what you'll be doing is you'll need to download the JDK download. So we'll click that. Once we see this, we scroll down and we want to choose the correct operating system. So in my case, I'm using Windows. And so my operating system wants this Windows x64 installer. And so we will click this download link. Say I review and accept the Oracle technology, and then you can download it. You're going to click this link here. It'll allow you to download the Java file. And now we just wait for this to download here. Once that's downloaded, basically there'll be like a little window that will pop up, and we'll just click next, 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 or just accepting agreements, things like that. And then you'll have Java installed. It's really a simple little thing to do. Now it's asking me, you can see, you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. Wait a little bit longer. Let me just move this window over so you can see. So now we see this little window here, and we're just going to click yes, next. Now status, it will be downloading Java Oracle. Just give it a minute. It's downloading. So now we have Java successfully installed. So it says here, click next steps to access tutorials, API documentation, developer guides, release notes, and more to help you get started with the JDK. So now once we have it completely downloaded, you actually can use it with Atom. So Atom is where you'll be writing all the code, and this Java Oracle here that we just downloaded will allow you to use the Java code. So now we can close this, and everything should be running smoothly. You should have Java downloaded. And if you need any help with tutorials or anything like that, that little pop-up window that had next steps, that can kind of show you some more tips and tricks for using Java, especially with Atom and PowerShell and everything like that. So that's how you download Java.